Welcome back. This is script 4 of 6 in our series on Jasper AI. Today we're covering Jasper AI for marketing, revolutionizing content strategy and campaign creation. Remember the good old days of marketing? When you'd stare at a blank screen for hours, desperately willing your brain to come up with that perfect tagline while surviving on nothing but coffee and sheer panic. Well, those days are officially over, thanks to our friend Jasper AI. Though I do sometimes miss that coffee-induced eye twitch. It really added character to my Zoom calls. So what exactly is Jasper doing for marketers that's so revolutionary? Think of Jasper as that co-worker who never sleeps, never complains about revisions, and never steals your lunch from the break room fridge. Actually, that already makes Jasper better than 90% of human co-workers I've had. First up, let's talk content strategy. Traditionally, planning out months of content was like trying to predict the weather a year in advance, mostly guesswork with occasional moments of brilliance. Jasper changes the game by analyzing what's working in your industry and suggesting content themes that actually resonate with your audience. It's like having a crystal ball, except this one runs on algorithms instead of mysterious purple smoke. For example, let's say you sell eco-friendly water bottles. You could ask Jasper to create a 3-month content strategy targeting environmentally conscious millennials. Within seconds, you'd have themes like Microplastic Awareness Month, hydration hacks for hikers, and corporate sustainability spotlights. I tried this with my own business, and Jasper suggested 101 ways to talk about AI without sounding like a robot. The irony was not lost on me. Now on to campaign creation, my personal favorite because this is where the magic really happens. Remember those brainstorming sessions where someone inevitably says there are no bad ideas right before you suggest something that proves that statement wrong? With Jasper, you can generate dozens of campaign concepts in minutes, not hours. Need a catchy headline for your Facebook ad? Jasper's got 20. Need email subject lines that don't make people instantly hit delete? Jasper's your new best friend. Need product descriptions that don't read like they were translated from another language and back again? Jasper's practically waving its virtual hand in the air shouting, "Pick me, pick me." One marketer I know used Jasper to create an entire Valentine's Day campaign for a dental office. The tagline was "We love to see you smile," which is sweet, until Jasper also suggested bad breath. Your Valentine might ghost you. Harsh, Jasper. True, but harsh. What I find particularly revolutionary is Jasper's ability to maintain brand voice across all content. You can literally train it to sound like your brand, whether you're sassy like Wendy's, sophisticated like Rolex, or somewhere in between like most of us mere marketing mortals. Once trained, Jasper consistently delivers content that sounds like your brand, not like it was written by a committee of robots trying to understand human emotions. Of course, Jasper isn't perfect. Sometimes it generates ideas that are a little too ambitious, like suggesting a skywriting campaign for your local bakery. But even its occasional misses can spark creative thinking. And honestly, who wouldn't want to see muffins 50% off written dramatically across the clouds? The real beauty of Jasper for marketing is that it frees you up to do the strategic thinking while it handles the execution. It's like having an entire marketing department that fits in your laptop, doesn't ask for raises, and never takes the last cup of coffee without making a new pot. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. This was script 4 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching and keep growing that brain.